Sup my niggas, sup guys, back again with another video, another reaction, another banger. William Tiger
and Crisis in Dota AKBC.
And today Nyatimbana na Cream de la Cream, the king of the king. So I don't know much about what's happening on my video, just pick and watch. So if you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Subscribe to Senzo Hassan forever. Okay. So without further ado, let's get to it.
They won't give me pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe, but to pull a man. Yeah. Baby, for no boom, mega pawns. They won't give me pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king.
Ayo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Batsumtimantu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger, Cream de la Cream funa ukwenza show thelitswa iphakathi. Hey yo Mzansi, like it when you say it with me. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a baby king mtanami. Another day, another dollar, another episode. As you all know, I'm not alone. I'm with 2 years of protection. Wake next to me. Welcome next to me. And the Zoom master behind the camera. Wake, take me straight to it. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings batsumtimandu mabuyu bambolunyu hlase upodla manza bafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mtanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomtsholo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthelitswa iphakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Hey yes. Hey. Yabona ngisazonifundisa kuningi. Yeah, kuningi. Hayi bokhuluma wakhe nimzwile yini bafethe khuluma.
Wakhe?
Khuluma uthini. Iyona. Iyo. Lena.
Nizwana nokuthi
Hayi.
Amamalperi. Indoni. Yeah. Indoni. Nazi. Awukhumbuli ngikla kunokuba bomvu sidla indoni madlula la. Indoni yamanzi sanibona siswami. Ninjani? Yesho, my brother nika umuntu wakho kube ngathi imbali mfethu. Mniki. No, igama lami King Ginger. Hola brother.
Usasifikela nje.
Igama lami King Ginger, sambe senza abantu mawukuthi
lahla leyo.
Yeah, dog.
Niyathandana, nginika abantu lembali lena kuthiwa lezi igama le Rose lena indoni. Unika umuntu wakho umpresent
I must give this to my girlfriend.
Yes, for sure.
For what?
Awumthandi.
I love her.
Yeah, it's romantic. Always sit in the movie. Thatha.
Imbali nje.
Ithatha.
Injani lembali?
Ayishe.
Isipho.
Thank you.
It's fine. I don't know where it even come from.
Sure, my brother, mini kama lamu King Ginger, and I'm with my brothers here. So we are just going around. We are doing a school project. Sorry, mfethu ngisacela ukubuza. Sambe senza iproject yesikole. So sambe sibuza abantu ukuthi bathandana yini, and sicela ukunibuza few questions. Ngingadina nje.
Oh, yeah.
Niyathandana. Wena sisuba nikama.
Thembi, awuthami.
Igama lami Tshepiso.
Tshepiso. Oh, okay, my brother.
Eddie.
Eddie Mafia, Eddie Mafia. Njaya. Inda, my brother, kanti ngathi ungicasukele nje mfethu.
No, we're just not used to, we're walking, we're going to the shop, my brother.
Kanti wena putamini.
You're not used to walking.
La usuka khona ujwayele ukuhlangana nabantu noma usuka emakhaya mfethu. Because emakhaya kuphela phela laba ngajwayele khona amakamera. Ukwatile awuthami khuluma iqiniso.
No, I'm having a nice day actually, so it's fine, my brother.
Oh, so wena 18 mfethu ungathini oyithandayo ngomuntu wakho mfethu?
Just her patience.
Her patience.
And loyalty and communication.
Sure. So communicate kamnandi.
Yeah, we always communicate every time. Every day she's always letting me know what's up.
Sure. So wena senesikhathi esingakanani nitjola?
It's probably 1 year and 9
And I
months.
was tata sonke space.
9 months.
Awunjayami. Awu-80. Sephi uyamthanda u-80 ne?
Ngiyamthanda kakhulu.
So phethina lento kaJinja wena.
Sebambambile.
So wena siswami awukazi umjolela u-80 mhlawumbe awukazi ulenza iphutha lokunaqala ukuthandana.
Angizenzi mina lezo zinto lezo yo ngingajolela umuntu ami kanjani. I wouldn't do that.
80 wena awukazi ulenza iphutha mhlawumbe kube nephutha.
No, not at all.
Not at all ne?
I don't think so. Not in that manner.
Yamthanda ne?
I do.
Siyathandana.
Ngicela umuphi yakhe mfethu umtshela ukuthi amthanda mfethu. Awu-80 njaya.
You'll never know. Maybe it's the last hug.
Eddie. Awu bro. Indaba kwanesikhala nje la mami. Sabani sabukusondela ozongcola. Oh no ithi nginganibambezeli nami ngoba sesihamba yabo. Kodwa kunento esiyenzayo la kuthiwa loyalty test. Loyalty test uthwepa with switching phones for 60 seconds wena siswamunike outside phone yakho for 60 seconds. Angithi awujoli wena awenze lutho amchitheli. Na I check ukuthi ku WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram makuthi uyayisebenzisa lezo zinto wena ufletha nabo bani. Same applies to you 80. Unike umuntu wakho nawe ifone ukuthi a check. Angithi wena
Yini ungacheck.
awunankinga siswami ngoba ujoli. Awunankinga.
Me too nje ngiyafana.
Ikhona power bank. Power bank.
Angifihli lutho but then my phone is flat.
So i-charge. Sina-i-charge si-type yini?
C-type.
Yeah,
Your
it's
phone is
C-type.
not off.
It's not off.
We just had to
It's not off.
cut out the charger there.
Yeah.
It's on.
Thank you babami. Hayi khuleka 18 ngizocela ukuthi uyivula ungawari.
Banjiwe.
Ngithatha ifone e1.
Wozani ngapha. Sister indaba kanti wena wasuqala uqamba amanga kanti siqale kahle ngeqiniso. Ungama ngala 80, ungama ngala siswami. Indaba
Malum.
konje ubani kambe sisi? Tshephisa indaba waqamba amanga manje. Kwenziwa yini?
No, bengithi
So qala ifoni yakho.
iqinile.
Akunankinga ngithi khona ngizonisheshisela niphuthume iphi ka 80 la ile. 80 ile yakho.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one. Cela uyivule.
Okay.
Dango nayo ke.
Yeah.
Dangeri. Cela umbambela. Okay. Uyayibona lento engiyishoyo ufuna isheshe na WhatsApp. Mase ngithi type uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele makuvela waza kubambela imbali yakho. Ngibambele imbali.
Type
Ngikutshela. Makuvela igama lakho ungitshele makuvela igama lezinye verb ungitshele la ngoba labo bantu bazobedliwa umuntu wakho. All right guys, my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream intwana sa King Indlovu bafethu. It's about that time. Type lapho uthi I love you. 80 umuntu wesingisi uyamuzwa 80.
Yeah,
How
for
many
sure, my
girls
bro.
do you say I love you to?
You know, I got colleagues.
That you say I love you ne?
A little bit.
A little bit. All right.
Yeah.
Siswami kodwa ku 80.
So Amanda is your colleague.
Freeze.
Bro, this is alright.
Amanda is he? Amanda your
is
colleague?
a colleague, yes.
Don't lie, bro. So banjiwe.
Is your colleague. Paul, why are you saying I love you?
Edward.
Can we call Amanda?
I don't think you can call her because
Why?
maybe she's at work or she
No,
has
why you
personal things.
umkhulumela? Wena no Amanda nenzani mfethu khuluma iqiniso awuthi yami. Le nto
No, I mean,
yamanga
she's just a colleague.
asimfonele
honestly.
ke.
Phone attention.
Cause a colleague shoots akubukho ubungozi angithi. Talk bro.
No, I'm saying I'm honest. I'm telling you, Amanda is my colleague from
Ambheke welcome. Ngoba manga le.
Shothi uyayidla le colleague.
I'm
work.
still giving you time bro. Talk.
So if you want to prove it, if you
Then you
want to
type
call her, you can
delete
call
I
her.
love you there. Type say I miss you, put a red heart and let's see what Amanda does. Amanda appears. Talk bro. Still giving you
Hayi,
Stop it.
Uthathile.
ehluthi phone.
Ayibo.
Yini manje mfethu? 18. Are you what's going on
Yeah, welcome to Tate Fast.
Quick.
with you? Who's Amanda? Who is Amanda? Check her up. Ngitshela uzavela.
Akaveli Amanda kwa miss you.
Akaveli.
Yeah, apparently vela.
Type uthi sex bona ukuthi avelini.
Ise ya shake.
Why you being grumpy, bro?
Usikhale.
Phuma sex, faka i-emoji ebrinjol, i-emoji epentshisi, i-emoji yalamanzi athi qhwa impophoma. Sheshe lapho. Mthembi lo bro. Why you being grumpy, bro? Ask him now.
Okay.
No, you know, sometimes
There's not much
I
there.
know myself, so I wouldn't do anything shady in my phone there.
There's nothing much left.
How about that phone if you're not shady?
Phuma lapho. Tani money. What? Why you being angry? How?
Just a bunch of his friends.
Mpege welcome.
Hey, bro, what's happening between you and Amanda?
Like I told you, she's a colleague. Nothing more,
She's a snack.
nothing much.
Don't trust you. Sometimes you make it difficult for the king to trust you, bruh.
No, you have to.
You
That's
were
the
fighting.
phone
Why
there.
you were fighting here? Do you have Facebook?
I have Facebook and
Go on Facebook.
or the TikTok and stuff. But on my TikTok is just
It's fine.
DMs or
Ngena
those
la
things
ku
there.
Facebook Messenger. Tapa la put I love you. Put a heart on it. If it says no results, tell me.
Sekalithathile neflower lakhe.
And the results are me.
Buyela WhatsApp. We need to call Amanda. Should we?
I don't think that's a good thing.
When ucabangani simfonele noma singamfonela?
Simfonele. I want to
Okay.
know who Amanda is.
Good
But
girl.
I already spoke to you about this thing.
Stop!
Oh, when ukhalela ukufona we.
Wait,
Man.
no.
Yeah, who makes
I spoke to you about
yeah.
respecting my friendships at work
Friendships
with my
at work.
colleagues.
But then why would you love
my
Amanda?
guy. Please.
Mbambe welcome.
What's going on with you?
Gents, wait. Don't hold me like that.
Now don't be grumpy.
Sondela nomusa kyanyewo.
Mbambeni noyithuma.
Don't be.
Can I at least maybe be free?
Yeah, be free.
Oh my God, can you tell them to leave me to be free at least
Yeah,
so I can relax?
Okay. Free. Free yourself. Be free. Yeah.
I'm not Sondela. If you think you're gonna get this,
Amanda.
you have another.
Amanda. Amanda. Hi Amanda, uyamazi uEddie?
Yeah, nyama
Okay, ngicela ukubuza ukuthi wena noEddie ni yini?
siyajola. Hola.
Oh, ngiyabona.
Hayibo.
Uthe nisebenza nonke. So uEddie unentombi yakhe lana and intombi yakhe
Hayibo.
siswami
Siyajola mina no egg.
siswami ngicela ukuchazela uEddie uthe wena awuyilutho umakhwapheni nje imbungulu yasemsebenzini and wena uhlezi uthi uyamthanda and yena akakufuni uEddie yena uthanda umuntu wakhe Eddie you need to tell her.
Hayibo.
Tell him, my brother.
Amanda, how are you?
We are colleagues, Amanda.
Why are you saying that we together? You know, Guti, we work together.
Why are you denying?
No, here's my.
Why are
my
you
girl is
denying
here.
her?
I'm not denying you. You know our
No,
friendship
you
at
are.
work.
Right now, you didn't even tell me you have a girlfriend.
Nothing.
What's
Uyabona ukuthi uyakuyuza ubefuna isex ishuthe lo mfana.
Hayibo.
No, Amanda, she's my colleague. I'm sending her money
We
for
are
work
not
for
colleagues. We
transport.
do
Man,
not work at
uthi-
the same
Telling
place.
a money.
Nayi ke intombi
Sometimes.
Hayibo.
unyanyileke intombi yakhe ithi wena uyisifebe intombi yakhe uthi uyisifebe wena.
Change your fire spice.
Uthi wena
Because I've been dating this guy for long now.
long how many years?
It's been a year.
It's been a year. Bona sebejole 1 year. Bana 1 year, bana 1 year, bana 1 year 9 months. Shuthe uyisifebe sis.
Ngiyamthula.
Hayibo.
Sorry Amanda ukukutshela indaba zakho but akushongo mina uEddie othe uyisifebe nolokhuzana mtshele sister.
Nah, I'll do
Edu
it.
Shaganjalo, that's what he said. He just said you're not together and you're just his colleague.
Wena usho ukuthi uyisifebe
Akwenzeki.
Uyisifebe vele. Ukuthi wawuthanda namantoda abantu vele.
I
Wathanda
was with
namantoda
him,
abantu.
was Mina. I was with him.
You were with him, Nini Sisi. Do you
Uthi
not
1
know
year,
about
uthi
me?
1 year.
Do you not
I
know
don't
about
know
me?
about you. I don't know anything
Nathi
about
we don't know about you.
We are shooting lapha.
Nathi we don't know
Now we don't know about you. Who are you? Who you?
Let me speak to her.
I'm his girlfriend.
Speak to her like
No, bruh. Oh, now you're fighting. You're
fighting for her.
Yeah.
I want to.
You're
You can't
fighting
speak to
for
her. I'm
us.
telling you, this is just my colleague. Leave her. Don't
If it's your
stress her.
colleague, don't stress. If we tell her the straight news.
what's her thing?
Siswam
You-
cha uthu bitch ngishaya
emsebenzini
emsebenzini udla amadoda abantu ngitshela.
Vele wena uyisifebe kabi futhi angiqali ukuyizwa lento yakho wena uyawadla amadoda abantu.
Yeah.
Sifebe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, khala futhi mawuthanda.
Wena
Yeah.
ujwayela kabi.
Awuthami indaba udefend isifebe sakho.
No, you mustn't talk like.
Yeyi wena.
wena uzoflya wena sa.
Ye wena.
I
Yeah, when?
always warn my girl, dog.
Yeah, when?
Always warning her that I respect her.
Nah, she respects you, but when you are bringing bitches in her life, why are you doing that? Why?
Mshaya ngale flower.
Eddie, why are you doing that?
samele sicheke yale chick ene ngathi kukhulu.
I told you that's.
Bro, why are you raising a hand on a girl? Eddie, what do you wanna...
She's gonna. I do many things for that girl.
Hey, bro, why are you doing what you're doing right now?
That having.
Do-
I'm the one that's supporting her.
Doesn't matter, my brother. Do you want me to put you in a storage? Eh? Do you want me to put your head
In the storage.
in a storage now?
So can we just? Can we go?
We're not going, we're not done. Let's sazoqhubeka kutshole naloyo nje bekusikaza ngempama. Ish, eyosindela uthi yakuthanda le
Cause na yafeba. The fuck.
ngane yazi. Yazi vele vula le phone. Vula le phone omunye abuwazi. Ungamsabi, angithi usamthanda. Ey unenhlanhla iyakuthanda le ngane. Yabona kuba ithe negative.
It's not like my brother.
Bengizokwenza konke okusemandleni nami. But because uthe bamba. Cooperate, my brother. Now, what's up? Yeah, when I say type, you must type here. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lamanye amajita la ungitshela ngoba yiwazo bedliwa umuntu wakho. Okay. All right, guys, we're on WhatsApp right now. When you're about to type the Trandis, type la put I love you. Abakushela nasisondela. Abakushela mara wena njengoba bamba.
Bayangishela
Wena uthini?
sometimes. Mina
How about you?
angivumi ngiyabatshela ukuthi nginomuntu.
Speedway.
Whose brewery is that? Siphiwe. Ngena kuye uthi I love you kumuntu wakho.
Yeah.
Ubani Siphiwe? Talk.
Usphiwe is my cousin, my
Yeah.
Vile emosha lapho.
Qalile yazi.
cousin yami.
Nenzani noSiphiwe? Kahle wena man. How?
Relax.
Wenzani?
What is it between you and Speedway and this? And he's saying, and I love the baby.
Yeah? Mwana.
Wena umntana noSiphiwe mfethu.
He's saying he loves the baby.
He's my cousin, so he loves my baby.
Check a line. Check what? This is not a baby, dog. This is a baby daddy.
Baby daddy.
This is the baby daddy, dog.
Ish.
Or something. And
Sister kwenzakalani wena noSiphiwe kanti?
Usphiwe cousin yami.
Ikhazi yakho kanjani? Simfonele.
come closer.
Yeah.
Sondela.
Come closer. Yeah, ngimshaya bathi.
Ya ngeke vele ngeke. Ya vele ngeke. Noma ungenzani vele ngeke. Kanti indaba ucanga wena khona nobuzokwenza. Bro,
I'm
relax.
not gonna do nothing,
So
man.
why
You can hold me if you want, but I want her close to
So why you moving like you were gonna do something? Because you won't do anything, vele. There was something you were planning to do in.
for Doug, 1 year.
So,
I'm supporting that.
so let's clear your statement. You won't do shit.
It's fine.
I told you to cooperate.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Sondela sis.
Cooperate man.
Siswam, le out le is trying to come down. Ubani uSiphiwe.
Ngiyaxolisa.
You're saying uthi uyaxolisa ngani?
Ngani
What are you
uxoliselani
sorry
uxoliselani?
about, dude?
Uyisola ngani?
That you're busy with another guy while something.
Cousin yami angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi cousin yami.
So ninomntwana necousin ne.
Bro, ask your guys to so I can be comfortable.
Bro, you wanna go in front and
No, I want to talk to you personally.
talk?
To you, like I want to.
Oh, kodwa
Now so
khuluma
funa change.
I want to talk to you.
Mteteleni. Deteleni.
Ndaba chief.
My brother,
Sure.
can I just talk to my girl, bro? Honestly.
But you wanted to talk to me.
Yeah, I wanna talk to
Yini
her.
ufuna ukuyikhuluma naye? Yini ufuna ukuyikhuluma naye?
Hayi uyazi.
Inimpama.
Okay, wait. Wena siswami afuna ukukhuluma nalo?
She has to tell me
Awufuni.
ukuthi what's going on. Like,
Cela ungibambela la.
uthi angi-explain ukuthi ubani lo guy.
Ubani lo guy?
Cousin yami.
Ayi kahle nawe manga.
Cousin yami.
Call
Asimfonele ke.
the guy
Yeah.
off that number.
Siyafuna ke kule show.
Yabona siswami ngikunika ithuba ubani lo? Ubani?
Cousin yami.
Oho.
Ayifonelwe le cousin.
Cousin yami.
Kanti wayesemfonela.
So every time when you're going to visit there by your place, you're saying you're visiting your cousins, can't you? You're visiting someone else.
Ele ufuna ukumshaya ke.
Basket wena. Yewena ngitheni kuwena? He?
Mflayiseni man. Famba moyeni.
He? Ufuna ukuyenzani ingane?
I'm not gonna do anything.
Why are you sneaking around? Ufuna ukubonani? He?
Baby, come here.
No.
Come here, babe.
Ungabhebhizi ingane.
Come here. I was.
Uzoza for what? Ngisamfoneli nalo siphi.
And yes.
Call the guy. Call that guy and ufuna ukuza naye ukuthi uzothini lo guy. Do you see how bheka ukuthi bangibamba kanjani?
Ya kumele uwe.
telling you, I'm
Paquza.
Ngenxa yakho.
Loyal to you, but this is how you doing me.
Nayi nale phone ingaringi. Relax.
I tell you, I'm always.
Siphiwe. Show mfethu. Who's this? Siphiwe lo. Sure, Siphiwe. Uba igama lakho nisisi wami. Uyamazi uThepiso Siphiwe?
Hello.
Sure, awuthami. Uringa no Ginger yi. NginoThepiso lana, wena noThepiso ni yini?
Hello.
Niyajola yini wena noThepiso? Awuthami, ngikhuluma nami usilokhu uthi xelo la. Wena noThepiso, what are you?
Oh, siyajola mina noThepiso.
Manje yini ukuthatha iminyaka ukuphendula ukuthi wena
Yeah, wena Thepiso.
niyajola noThepiso?
Ask him about that.
Elangazi ukuthi ngikhuluma
Ask him
nobani.
about the baby.
Manje indaba yengane lena ekulokuthiwa kunenga wena lokuthi uthanda ingane kaThepiso, uyithandelani ingane kaThepiso? Ubani wena nengane kaThepiso?
Hawu,
Uba bungani?
mina ngimi ubaba straight.
Original.
How? Baby day.
Tell
Wengane.
this guy that's.
Phela uyajola uThepiso and unendoda yakhe
Hey,
yathi
Fusek wena man.
uthi
Ubani,
Fusek
man?
uthi indoda kaThepiso Fusek.
Fusek, you're
Uthi ubastard.
Fusek wena rubbish. Who are you?
Jwayile ubambile nebhanji la uzongijwayela.
Wamele bhaji uzokujwayela.
And uligcoke kamampela le bhantshi wena.
Uthi ubambe ibhantshi bhuti wami. Uthi indoda kaThepiso le ebanjwe ngebhantshi manje Fusek and uthi Fusek kuwe wena futhi wena ibhantshi.
Baby.
Right.
Khuluma nendoda yakho phela.
Makakutshele leyo gelo yakho mina ukuthi umethisa ubani.
Hey bro.
Kanti wayenza kanje.
Uthi wayenza kanje uma wengane, uthi wayenza kanje umgqilaza.
Makayimi ubaba kumele bazi. Awumele mangifihla umntana.
Hawu, ngamfihli boy.
Uthi Fusek.
Ele ihlezi ivala off.
Sorry, bekumele ngisho at least Fusek ngoba eyakho le phone. Wena sohamba nawe or sohlala nawe la ingane iziyogibela. Hamba siswami. Hamba.
Sohlala nawe la ingane iziyogibela.
Hamba. Hamba sisahamba sokugada. Hamba. Wena siyale nawe. Yeah. Bro, please. Because the problem about you, I'm trying to help you, but you are a fighter here. Now we are jola. Ungacabanga phela ukuthi ujola. Lengane kodwa ayikufunanga ukushaya ngempama la.
How are you gonna feel? That's my child thing.
But how are you gonna feel?
My child.
Ah, it's your band.
Hey baba.
Ukuthi wena le cherry lena uyamsabisa. We stepfather uthami. You are stepfather. You are a stepfather.
I don't even know you.
And my brother, you need to appreciate your position and you need to love your position. You are a stepfather and you need to love what you are.
Ebengazi.
Stepfather.
Tell the guys to leave.
I'll tell him, I want you to agree you are a stepfather and I'll let you go.
What you wanted, isn't it?
I won't let you go if you don't agree you are a stepfather.
You did a loyalty test.
Yes.
I'm the one that's in pain now.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are in pain because you are cheating and you are a stepfather. Do you want me to prove to you that you are a stepfather? Vuma, I'll tell me stepfather. Man.
I forsake my kneeling and nice a year.
Uzomiyeka ne?
Yeah.
Teteleni. Tetele. Sack. Tetele kwala stepfather.
Yo.
Step. Stepfather. Hey. Wozala we 80. We 80. We 80. We 80.
Bengeke ngibambela nami.
Ufonela ba lapho, ufonela obhululi bakho nababa yi-stepfather, nizokwenza i-stepfather ceremony la, umcinjana wobaba. Ngizonenzela ne-holiday, every Thursday is gonna be a stepfather day. Uzama njengoba ukhumula ijacket ufuna ukushaya bani? Ngizothi
Ibhanje bekalibambile.
sabasiyeke la ngiqubuze. Yes, stepfather, hamba. Sekuzoba imina ubaba wengane yakho ngoba
Siyabuya Edi.
Eshita mhlaba change.
lo wakumithi sakasekho uyapi?
Lock up. Famba moya.
How?
Look up. Yeah.
Yeah. Superman.
Famba moye. Si po. Si po.
Famba moya.
Famba moye. Wena.
Famba.
Yasa. Ya, tshelile.
Aba umabili.
How?
Kubuke ubuze thina besokutshela ukuthi indoda uzofly.
Never come back.
Tshelile stepfather. Ya.
Watch. Ungawara wena
Ne. Kuphi? Ufuna nginike address ini? Ungithole number?
Manje kusayehle nje yami until athi down. Izama yonke into.
Ngeke iphuluke ku welcome. Usemoyeni tata.
Ambona uyathanda.
Usemoyeni baba.
Let's explain baba wami. Ngikulindile ngithi Soweto la. Yo bro. Ngiyithatha futhi le jacket yakho. It's nice bro. Yo bro, your jacket is nice bro. Ngiyayigqoka.
Ijazi, ungagcoki ijazi. Okonje uthi ufuna ukuba stepfather.
Hambani naye mngami. Ndlele le jacket le.
Le igcoka nejezi layo yahlala.
Ndlele le jacket uboy. Gangster. Ngiyadlela le
Jacket labo
Balisho nje
stepfather.
ya phala ngani. Ayish.
jacket. Sambe nayo le jacket. Ngifuna ungishutha ama selfie ngigqokile.
Set yourself uyashoot out.
Sambe, bayeke. Ngiyithatha.
Awehamba nowakhe leziyazi yali.
I like it when they call me Big Papa. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy.
Alitshontshile leyayisalibuyiseni. Angeke salibuyiseni.
Baba, once bakuchitela ulwa no Ginger. Go home, dog. Once wabuya,
Mawubuye ufuna ukuzenza uSuperman.
uzofamba. Kunomusa no welcome. Akhohlwa ukuthi uzowina leyo battle njaya. Ginger uzokuprovoka all he wants. Because uyazi ekugcineni ukuthi ayeke umthinde wena. Slimmer. Move on. No 250-50 na cheated on. How? So
Anyways, bafethu.
yeah. Hey.
Nazi siniphethe, thank you for watching. Nazi senza abasane nayizolo nakusasa. Today it was King Changer Cream de la Cream. So sonibona next time mafethu.
And tell us how you like the sound, please. Ukuthi yabona sen right ngama edits onfuna something different, you know, talk to us, man. So subscribe, like, comment, share, and senza abasane. We out.
They won't give me bedroom darling pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe, but to put them on. Yeah, yeah. Baby, for no boom, mega pawns. They won't give me bedroom darling pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe, but to put them on. Yeah, yeah. Baby, for no boom, mega pawns. They won't give me bedroom darling pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king of cigars. And she sucking on my pipe, but to put them on. Yeah, yeah. Baby, for no boom, mega pawns. They won't give me bedroom darling pitting our pawns. I'm the trap king.